How much time would you say you spent with Johnny, Vanessa, Lily Rose, and Jack?
When they were in Los Angeles, I would say I saw them all daily. Our office, where we work, our office was only 10 minutes from their house, so I would make trips back and forth, or every day after work, I would go straight to the house. So I saw them daily.
Would you please explain to the jury what it was like spending time with Johnny and his family?
It was great. It was great. It was a normal, happy family, you know. You go there and the kids are playing and, you know, making dinner, everybody having dinner, cleaning up together, sitting around, laughing. It was great.
Did you have occasion to see your brother interact with his children?
Yes. Yes, I did.
What did you observe? What can you tell the jury about what you observed? I'm proud to say, he's one of the most devoted fathers I think that I've ever seen. Like everything in life was about the children, but when he was with the kids, like the attention that he would give them, you know, it was just constant, playing with them, listening to them, you know, laughing with them, reading to them, Barbies, I mean, you name it, and he was there. Did you ever observe Johnny treating his children the way you saw his mother treat him when he was young?
No.
Have you ever seen Johnny hit either of his children?
No.
Have you ever heard your brother raise his voice at his children?
No.
You may have touched on it earlier, and if so, I apologize. But how, if at all, did Johnny communicate with his children when he was shooting a film?
Objection, foundation.
Were you?
All right, I'll sustain the objection if you want to lay a foundation.
Fair, understood. Okay. Did you have occasion to observe? Were you ever with your brother when he was shooting a film?
Yes.
Did you have occasion to observe your brother communicating with his children while you both were there on set?
Yes. Yes.
So with that, please go ahead.
Excuse me, when Johnny was filming, most of the time, the family was with him. The family would travel and go, you know, it was like I said earlier, we would get a house and garden and all of that to make sure that there was a home. So his family was with him most of the time.
What about when the children got older and they started going to school? Did that change in any way?
It changed in that they didn't want to disrupt the children's lives when they were going to school. So if Dad had to go off and go work and the children stayed home, this is where we get into, we still maintained a home for the family wherever he was filming, you know, because they would, if they had the opportunity to come back and forth. But at the same time, Johnny would travel back every 2 weeks, you know, to see his kids.
And when you say he would travel back, who was it who made those travel arrangements?
I made the travel arrangements.
Did you have occasion to observe Johnny interact with the mother of his children, Vanessa Paradis, over the 14 years they were together?
Yes, I did.
Would you please tell the jury what you observed about the interactions between Mr. Depp and Vanessa?
Your Honor.
This is directly relevant.
I'll allow observations. I'll overrule the objection.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. What did you observe about Mr. Depp's interactions with the mother of his children?
They were a great couple. I mean, first you could see that they were friends. They were happy together. They got along great. It was a happy, normal.
I'll sustain the objection at this point then.
Thank you.
All right.
Did you ever hear your brother yell at Vanessa?
No.
Objection.
No.
And
Yes,
it's
sir.
leading.
It's not leading.
404.
To what extent, if any, have
Well, that wasn't the question, Mr. Chair.
404 is the main objection.
Okay, I'll sustain on that objection. Next question.
what, if any, violence did you observe between?
I'll go ahead, finish your question first.
Well, if I think you're going to sustain the objection, perhaps I should read.
Maybe we should move on, yes.
Okay. All right. Did Vanessa ever claim that Johnny ever physically abused her?
Objection.
No.
Foundation calls for hearsay.
All right. Hearsay objection.
And 404.
It's not offered for the proof of the, it's what she observed, what she heard. She was the personal manager, Your Honor.
That would be hearsay. I'll sustain the objection. Thank you.
Did there come a time when Johnny and Vanessa separated after 14 years?
Yes.
How would you describe their relationship today?
Same objection, 404.
All right.
And calls for hearsay as well, and foundation.
I don't think it calls for hearsay, Your Honor. She's his
I
sister.
understand, but it's a character evidence issue, so I'll sustain the objection.
Who is Amber Heard?
My brother's ex-wife.
When did you first meet Amber Heard?
I first met her when she came to the office for casting on Rum Diary, probably late 2008, I think, somewhere in there.
Did you see Miss Heard on set?
Yes.
What, if anything, did you observe?
When she was working on set, I mostly observed, some of the, I was there for some of the scenes, and in between, she was a bit sort of like, standoffish, had all, people, coming around her, but I don't really have that much time with her on set.
When was Rum Diary actually released?
2011,
Was Johnny in that movie?
yes.
What role, if any, did you have with respect to Rum Diary?
I was one of the producers.
And after seeing Miss Heard on the set in 2009, 2010, when was the next time you saw Miss Heard?
I think the next time I saw her was we were promoting Rum Diary towards the end of 2011, I think. I was not able to go on the full promotional tour where we do screenings for people around the country. But I was able, because my mom was sick, but I was able to attend the one in Los Angeles. So I saw her at that event.
What did you observe? So you attended the premiere?
I attended the premiere and the dinner afterward, yes.